In this video, I'll demonstrate how to switch Shopify themes without losing any content. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Click on Login in the top right corner and enter your account credentials to access your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Select the online store you wish to edit. Within your online store dashboard, locate and click on Online Store from there. Choose Add Theme. Select a theme from the available options. For demonstration purposes, I'll choose a free theme. Wait for the theme to install on your Shopify store. This may take a moment. Once the installation is complete, click on Publish. Your Shopify theme will now be updated without any loss of content. That's all there is to it. Changing your Shopify theme is a straightforward process that preserves your existing content seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, take care.